Here are a few tricky JavaScript questions. So let's look at the first one. We have the string 5 is what? Less than or equal to 5, the number 5. What's the outcome going to be? Well, it's going to be true. And the reason why is it's a comparison operator, so the compiler is going to try to convert that string into a number, and that's exactly what it's going to do. And 5 is less than or equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5, obviously. Let's look at the second one. Type of null. Well, it's going to be an object. That is kind of a quirk, but that's for backwards compatibility. Next one. The string 6 plus 6. This is pretty simple. What it's going to do is concatenate both of those, and you're going to get 66. That's going to be the outcome. That's pretty simple. Let's look at the next one. We have the string, which is 6 minus 6. What do we get? Well, we get 0, because we're going to have what they call type coercion. And we're going to turn that 6, that string, which is 6, into a number, and that's where we're going to get 0. Let's look at the next one. That's pretty simple. That is going to be false. The string 5, strict equality. That is not going to be true. It would be different if it was loose equality, but it's strict equality. That is not true because that's a string and that's a number. Let's look at the next one. That's pretty simple. That's just an array. Type of, that's going to be an object. And then we have the last one, which is going to be, that's actually not really a tricky question, but that's an actual string. It's an empty string, but it is a string. So there's just a few right there. Some more trick questions. Some of them should be obvious to you if you have some experience with JavaScript.